So, hello! And in this video we are going to make some Halloween pumpkin lanterns. We're going to need 3 A4 orange acetate sheets, or if you can't get any orange, use some yellow over some red. It's good to know your primary colours, people. We're also going to be needing some black foam, some green foam, some double-sided tape, some scissors, a hole punch, and some lights. You might also want a pencil to sketch stuff out. Okay, so here we go. First things first, what we're going to do is we're going to cut our A4 in half long ways. And then we're going to cut these two sections in half again, so we'll have 4 strips from each A4 sheet, and we want to do that with all 3 sheets. Okay, so we'll have 12 strips in total. They don't need to be exactly half, just nice and neat. Now once you've got your 12 strips, you want to take your hole punch and punch a hole at each end of the strip. There we are. And you want to do that for all 12. Okay, so now we've got our 12 strips with holes at both ends. I'm just going to put them over to the side, and I am going to bring out the wooden skewer, which I forgot to mention earlier. Oh! And we're going to use some green foam. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is I'm going to cut out 3 little strips of green foam, roughly about 1 centimetre by 6 centimetres each. And once I've cut out the 3 strips, I'm going to put some double-sided tape on each end. Just like so. Okay. While I'm here, I'm also going to cut out a little leaf top to go on top of the pumpkin. I can never find the pencil. There it is. There we go. I'm just going to quickly sketch it out before cutting it out. Okay, and now I've got that, trim a little bit there. I'm just going to use a skewer to prod a little hole through it. Just comes in handy a bit later on in the process. You'll see why. Okay, so I'm going to take my skewer and roughly about 12 centimetres from the bottom, I'm going to hold it, and then I'm going to slip one of my strips here over the top, holding it in place, and put one over the top to form this nice bend. I'm just using this to get an idea of where I'm going to put my foam strips to hold the acetate in place. So roughly about, it should be a nice bend, and I'm holding it at the bottom, and there we are. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to attach one of the strips at the bottom here, if I can never get the double-sided tape off. There we go. And I'm just going to attach that, and then I'm going to wrap it around the bottom to form a stopper, and I'll attach up the other bit of double-sided tape. Okay, now that's in place, I'm just going to slip all the acetate strips onto the skewer, one on top of each other. Just like so. And once they're all in place, I am going attach another foam strip roughly about 2 centimeters from the top end of the skewer. Oh, that one was a bit easier than last time. There we go. Roll that around. And this part off. There we go. Okay. Now I've got those in place. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take my string lights and I'm just going to attach them about halfway down the strip at the top of, well, just below the topmost bit of foam. This will just help them hang in place. Now, okay, this is a slightly tricky part. I'm taking the bottommost strip and I'm putting that over the top. And then taking the second-most bottom strip and putting that over the top, moving it slightly around a bit to form a bit more of the pumpkin. And I just continue to do that from the bottom up to the top until I get to the end. What I've done here is I've just stopped one strip before I do the last strip, just so I can put in the last of the lights. Making sure they're all in there. There we go. But I am going to leave the battery pack outside just so it's easy to turn off at the moment. There we are. Now bring this over the top, and I'm going to take the leaf part with a hole already prodded in it to make things easier, and I'm just going to put that over the skewer here, and that'll help hold the strips in place. Just check the lights are actually working. There we go. And I'm going to use my last bit of foam here just to wrap around the top. Okay. Nice. Okay. Now I'm going to get my black foam here, and we're going to cut out some features. It's a light up pumpkin with some spooky features. And just to make it symmetrical, I'm just folding the foam in half here and cutting it out while it's folded. Teeth. Okay. So that's his mouth. There we go. And now for the eyes. I'm gonna make this one look not too threatening. Just gonna make it look nice and happy, I think. And I'm just going to attach some double-sided tape on the eyes and mouth here so we can stick them onto our pumpkin lantern. Stick us over in place here, and just that was a sling. There we go. And ta-da!